Hello, Koroit opal fans. I'm up on the surface after harvesting a few rocks. Look at that color in there. But what's in the rest of this rock? It's nice and dense, and it feels like, and it looks like there's a bunch of nuts in there. But I'm gonna have to scrub it and see if that shows anything, and then slice it. Let me dip it in some water here. See, it's very nice stuff. Is that full of it? Is that the only color there? Or is it just one beautiful nut after another? Well, we don't know. That's all part of the game. When you're digging, you don't know. And then even when it comes out, even then when it comes out of the ground, a lot of times you don't know until you slice it and open it up. So I'll scrub it and slice it, and we'll see what it is. But until then, dream of that color.